Hi, today we will be discussing about Crohn's disease. History is given here. Mrs. X, 45 years old, came to general medicine ward. Chief complaints are vomiting, abdominal pain since last 3 days, diarrhea, past medical history, Crohn's disease. So you can easily identify this is Crohn's disease. There are two gross and microscopic findings of Crohn's disease. In gross, you can find cobblestone appearance, and in microscopic finding, you can easily see the non-necrotizing granuloma. This is the granuloma that you can see, and you can easily see the inflamed crypts that we call cryptitis and crypt abscess. Okay, abscess means there is increased infiltration of neutrophils and other inflammatory cells into crypt. So clinical features क्या क्या होते हैं? There can be abdominal pain, there can be bloody diarrhea, extra-intestinal involvement is also seen. That can be uveitis, arthritis, rash, kidney oxalate stones. Okay. Now what is the pathogenesis? इसको मैं बहुत क्लियरली एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ. हमारे इंटेस्टाइन में कुछ इंटेस्टाइनल कॉमेंसल्स होते हैं. जो कॉमेंसल्स होते हैं उनका एक मेजर रोल रहता है. मतलब कॉमेंसल्स कौन कौन सा है? लैक्टोबैसिलस एंड बाइफिडोबैक्टीरियम. दे हेल्प इन डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टी रेगुलेटरी सेल्स. सो ये जो टी रेगुलेटरी सेल है ना, ये सेल्फ एंटीजन के खिलाफ अगर कोई एंटीबॉडी क्रिएट हो जाता है तो उसको सप्रेस करने में बहुत एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. सो सपोज the commensals are good bacteria. We can consider it as self antigen, and if there is any kind of antibodies created against self antigen, obviously there is a chance that our own body parts will be affected, our own body parts will be destroyed. So the good commensal bacteria always try to develop a proper amount of T regulatory cells so that any kind of immune response is not created against them. Now these T regulatory cells are mostly present in Pierre's patches, as all of you know. Suppose there is any kind of infection, जब कोई infection होगा, it will destroy good commensals. Okay, and as good commensals are destroyed, the T regulatory cells will not be developed. अब T regulatory cells develop नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? जो सेल्फ एंटीजन के खिलाफ जो रिस्पॉन्स होता था, मतलब उसको तो टी रेगुलेटरी सेल सप्रेस करता था. तो अब देर विल बी इम्यून रिस्पॉन्सेस अगेन कॉमेंसल्स. ओके, देर आर चांसेस ऑफ मोर एंड मोर इन्फ्लेमेशन, देर आर चांसेस ऑफ मोर एंड मोर ऑटोइम्यून रिएक्शन, एंड ऑल्सो देर आर सेवरल अदर म्यूटेशंस. इंटरल्यूकिन 10 is a kind of anti-inflammatory interleukin. सो इफ़ देर इज़ लॉस ऑफ फंक्शन म्यूटेशन, अगर इंटरल्यूकिन 10 का लॉस ऑफ फंक्शन म्यूटेशन होता है तो देर विल बी मोर इन्फ्लेमेशन, बिकॉज ऑपोजिट एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी इज इन्फ्लेमेटरी. ऑल ऑफ यू नो इंटरफेरॉन गामा प्लेस अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन एक्टिवेशन ऑफ TH1. ऑल्सो देर इज TH17 एक्टिवेशन. टी सेल्स जो है वो सब एक्टिवेट हो रहा है, मतलब देर विल बी मोर एंड मोर इन्फ्लेमेटरी रिस्पॉन्स. सो व्हाट आर द फाइंडिंग्स? Findings mostly we can see there is transmural involvement. Transmural means all the thickness are involved. All the thickness means the involvement is from mucosa to serosa. All the layers are involved. Secondly, देखो ये जो transmural word है ना, ये सबसे important है. If you know the basic, you can easily extrapolate. So if I try to extrapolate this transmural, all the layers are involved, so all the GI system will be involved. All GI system means that is starting from the oral cavity and moving up to anal canal. Whole GI system is involved. Now there will be skip lesions. What do I mean by skip lesions? मतलब suppose this one that is I am highlighting, this one is the colon, or this one is the our GI system. There will be lesions in some part, there will be inflammation in some part. Suppose this part is inflamed but this part is skipped. Okay, so there is inflammation in some part, there is skipping in some part. So some parts are normal, some parts are inflammatory. It is called skip lesions. All of you know the mesentery is called the policeman of abdomen, policeman of abdomen. Suppose now there is a transmural destruction. अगर transmural destruction हो रहा है, suppose this is the GI system and mesentery is attaching to its border like that, okay, and there is a transmural involvement. This portion, suppose this portion is the portion I am marking with red color. This portion suppose is destroyed, okay, this portion suppose is destroyed, sorry, I am marking with green color, black color, this portion is destroyed, okay. So the mesentery will try to cover this portion, okay. So we can see a fatty streak of mesentery, and there are more chances of fissures, fistulas, strictures. What do I mean by fissures? Fissures is any kind of inflammatory connection between two hollow spaces. See, here there is transmural inflammation, so there is connection between two hollow spaces. One is peritoneal cavity on one side, and the GIT cavity, GIT lumen on other side. So there are chances of creation of fissures, fistula, and strictures, and also there are chances of sinus tract formation and obstructions. Now, what do I mean by cobblestone appearance? This is the classical cobblestone appearance. There is a deep knife-like projection, As there is transmural destruction, there is deep lesions, deep knife-like projection. So, grossly it appears like cobblestones. There are also हॉस पाइप लाइक अपीयरेंस. हॉस पाइप मतलब आप एसी का कूलर में जो एक पाइप रहता है ना, जिससे मतलब टप 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 करके जो पानी निकलता है, उसको हम बोलते हैं हॉस पाइप. मतलब कुछ हॉस पाइप मतलब कि कुछ पोर्शन नॉर्मल है, कुछ पोर्शन फोल्डेड है, कुछ पोर्शन नॉर्मल है, कुछ पोर्शन फोल्डेड है, कुछ पोर्शन इन्फ्लेम्ड है, कुछ पोर्शन नॉर्मल है. दिस इज द क्लासिकल हॉस पाइप अपीयरेंस. Smoking increases the damage. Smoking increases chances of different types of mutations, so it increases the damage. In case of Crohn's disease, there can be cryptitis and crypt abscess. See, the crypt is inflamed, the crypt is enlarged. There are also inflammatory cells in the crypts. Okay. Non-necrotizing granuloma, that already I have discussed, and there are increased chances of colonic adenocarcinoma. There is excess inflammation occurring, excess regeneration, excess damage occurring, so there is a cycle that is going on. So if any cell is continuously entering in cell cycle, continuously regenerating, continuously it is being destroyed, there are chances of being accumulation of mutation, so it increases the chance of colonic adenocarcinoma. At last, what is the treatment? It is infliximab. It's an anti-inflammatory kind of medicine. What is the mnemonic? The mnemonic is Sister-Mac. S means skip lesions, skin nodules. Skin nodules, you can also call it metastatic manifestation of this Crohn's disease. There is ileum. Ileum is mostly involved in case of Crohn's disease. Saccharomyces cerevisiae antibodies are important part of Crohn's disease. Then there is transmural involvement for T. E for entire means transmural involvement. Mostly rectum is spared. Rectum is mostly spared. Okay. There is maculopapular rash. There are activated T cells, and there is cobblestone appearance. This is the mnemonic to memorize all of these things.